In this video, we're going to learn more about using the open and save options using Floriani Creative Express. And so far we've been mostly talking about opening and saving digital cutting files like SVG format. However, Creative Express can also open image files like JPEGs and embroidery formats and many different popular embroidery formats. And so when you choose the open tool, first of all, you're given a window that you can choose to point to really any direction or any folder or location of your computer. And when you look at the results, you will see all types of information, whether that be JPEG, if images, or SVG artwork, or PES embroidery designs, and there are many different types of formats that could be opened. And so when you look at the files of type down at the bottom where it says files of type, these are all of the different types of files that the Floriani Creative Express is capable of opening up. And so if you own an embroidery machine, then there are many different popular embroidery machine formats here. If you own a digital cutting machine, there are artwork formats here. And of course, just for photographs and things like that, you have JPEGs and bitmaps. And so we'll go ahead and open up, for example, this embroidery design. That's a PES embroidery design, and it'll come onto our workspace. And now you can see what that embroidery design looks like and do, a few different things with it. But just as an example, when you're ready to save it again, and you choose File and Save As, or just simply the Save tool, you're given the opportunity to also change the format. And so currently we opened it up, it was a PES file, but we could now save it as a Floriani WAF file, and along with many other popular machine formats. But just for a moment to talk about the benefit of the Floriani WAF format, you see, and I'll just cancel saving this for a moment. Right now we have a PES embroidery design, and when we've opened it, we now have it in our Floriani software, and there are other things that we could do here. We could create artwork that went along with this embroidery design, and if we saved the WAF format, the stitches would be saved along with the artwork. We can even enter in things like design notes, and you could type into here that this design was made for the specific purpose, or don't forget to do this next time. And then when you open up the file, your design notes are always included with it. And so there are benefits. And you may have friends who have Floriani embroidery software like FTCU, and if they share with you an embroidery design and they save it in this WAF Floriani format, then that's beneficial to you because they can then send you their design notes and a complete variety of other things that get saved. So at the end of the day, WAF files are great to have, but obviously your embroidery machine doesn't sew out a WAF format. You'll at some point need to change the format. Now, I may have opened this up as a PES format, which is for Brother and Baby Log, but I can save it to Jeff for Genome or VP3 for Viking, and it really is just as easy as that. I can open a design up and choose Save As, and choose to save it in any format that is available on the list here. And so there's a large list of popular embroidery machine formats available that can open and save using the Floriani Creative Express software. And so watch a few of the other videos and learn more about things you can do with your embroidery designs using the Creative Express software.